ride, a little bit high on the feeling. Can't seem to focus. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty up from the minute that I met you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Joseph. Today I'm in the studio with Ifriye. She has this beautiful costume styled by herself actually. And she also did her own makeup, even though we have Ampabing in the studio. I'm using my Canon EOS R5 and I have the Sigma 85 1.4 art lens attached to it. And then I have my Atomos so that you guys would see everything that my camera is seeing. So for the lighting, if I can just stand here and then point everything out to you. So what I'm doing is a simple 2-light setup. This is my LED lights, just so you guys can see the video. It's not really influencing the shot, right? So the main one, which is this 25-inch softbox, is just focused on hair. So it's just supposed to be lighting hair up. It's not supposed to reach the background, right? When I start testing, you guys will see how everything is coming to play. Then right beside it, I have this large reflector. And what it's supposed to do is just bounce some of the lights coming from here onto there to open up any shadows that would be on this side. Considering how small this modifier is, the shadows are going to be really dark. So doing it this way is just going to help open up the shadows a little bit, right? Now the twist is with this modifier right here. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I recommend that you do. So just go to Instagram and type at Phloshop. I did an unboxing of this. What this is doing is it's like a snoot, right? But then you can put creative patterns in there. So what I have is throwing light onto the backdrop right here. You won't see it now because it's a strobe. It's only when it flashes that you see it, right? So we have like a pattern that is going to be on this backdrop. And this backdrop, I got it from Kate's backdrop. And then I have this little light in the corner right here. And I have this plants just adding aesthetics to it. And then my third light is the speed light right here, which has a blue gel in it, right? So this speed light has a blue gel in it. The one I showed you going through the gobo, which is this one right here, has an orange light in there. And then this one, which is my main light, is just a white light. So that's going to be lighting up my subject. But what I have done, if I can just pop my screen on for you guys to see. So when we jump onto my screen briefly, you'd see that I have actually changed my white balance. I'm shooting at a Kelvin of 10,000. This is really going to warm everything up a lot. So we'll see how all of these little things I have made will come to play when we start shooting. So I'm going to test the lights one after the other so you guys will see exactly how everything is going to come together in the images. Okay, so guys, she's going to keep the same pose and then we'll see like exactly how the light is affecting the shot, right? Okay, so for our first one, I've turned all the lights off. We're gonna start working from the back to the front. So I'm gonna turn on a blue light, which is in group B. And I'm going to take a shot. As you can see, we have this blue light filling the backdrop. It looks really, really good. And we have a little bit of a spill, just like edging her out of the frame. That looks really, really good. So I'm gonna turn on my group A light, which is supposed to throw the window pattern on the backdrop. That is the one that has the gobo in there. Take another shot. Perfect. Now you can see that with those two lights, we have the blue color in the backdrop, and now we have that window pattern looking really, really good in the back. So I'm gonna turn on my main light, which is in group C. And that is set to 1/16. And now I'm gonna take another shot. Perfect. And I can see with everything coming together, we have this amazing looking image. Awesome. I really like the way it looks. Now you're free to do whatever you want for the camera. All right. Yeah, that's beautiful. Keep that. Amazing. That's really nice. Take another shot. Beautiful.
Ooh.
One more.
Just met the other night.
Right, so now we've just given her a little prop. Do you think we should give her more accessories or it's fine? It's fine like this. All right, cool. We just want like a different, angle, dimension, whatever it is. Yeah, oh, I like that. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Very nice. One more. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Can that hand still go back? Like point to, yeah, perfect. Standing. Oh, I love that. But can you move forward just a tiny bit? Yeah, right there, right there, right there. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. One more. 3, 2, 1. One last shot. 3. Can you turn your face a little bit more towards the light? Yeah, right there. And then bring your eyes to the camera. Yes. Okay. I think we have a lot of shots from this. Okay, so we've exhausted those poses, right? And what I want to do is just bring this here so that you can lean against it. Yeah, so you can cross it, perfect. And then push your hips to one side, perfect. Then let your right arm come in, yeah. I wish you could like open your arms out. Just relax like that, yeah. Yeah, perfect. 3, 2, 1.
On my best friend's sofa, you were getting by some rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you.
All right, so I have just moved a little closer so I can get like tighter shots of all that we've done. So starting with this, perfect. Oh, I love that. Yeah, that's beautiful. 3, 2, 1. Nice. One more shot. Okay. I want you to exaggerate the hip like on one side. Let it really go, yes. Aha. Oh, I like the way you even relaxed. You can put your other hand on, so then this one on that one. Yes. Yeah, that's nice. 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. One more. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that's nice. 3, 2, 1. Okay, one last shot. 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Okay.
I know that we just met the other night, but I can't get you off my mind. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better.